Welcome to this tutorial on Zelle Split a Payment, a convenient feature that allows you to divide a payment into equal parts with friends, family, or colleagues. This guide will walk you through the process step by step, providing key concepts, practical examples, and best practices. To start, Zelle is a peer-to-peer payment service that enables you to send and receive money directly from your bank account. The split payment feature is a useful tool for sharing expenses, such as rent, bills, or dining costs. First, you need to have the Zelle app or access to Zelle through your bank's mobile app or website. If you don't have Zelle, you can enroll through your bank or download the Zelle app. Next, initiate a payment as you normally would, by selecting the recipient and entering the payment amount. Then, look for the split payment option, which may be labeled as split or split payment. Select this option to proceed. You will then be prompted to enter the number of people you want to split the payment with. This can be a group of friends, family members, or colleagues. Enter the number of people and the payment amount will be divided equally among them. For example, if you want to split a $100 dinner bill with 4 friends, each person will be responsible for $25. Zelle will send a request to each person, asking them to contribute their share of the payment. Best practices for using Zelle Split a Payment include clearly communicating with the group about the payment details and ensuring everyone has Zelle set up before initiating the split payment. It's also important to double-check the payment amount and the number of people you're splitting with to avoid any errors. In conclusion, Zelle Split a Payment is a convenient and efficient way to divide expenses with others. By following these steps and best practices, you can use this feature to simplify your financial transactions and avoid the hassle of chasing down payments from others. With Zelle, you can send and receive money quickly and securely, making it an ideal solution for sharing expenses with friends, family, or colleagues.